So, should you accept a cash offer? A cash offer on your home sounds like a dream, right? No banks, no headaches, just straight cash. But hold on, is it really the best deal? Let's break it down. Hit the like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and let's dive in. What is a cash offer? A cash offer means the buyer buys your house outright. No mortgage, no lender, no waiting on approvals, but there are pros and cons. Let's start with the benefits. The pros of accepting a cash offer. There are faster closing. Cash deals close in 7 to 14 days, while finance sales take 30 to 45. There's fewer contingencies. No financing or appraisal delays means less risk of the deal falling through. Lower costs. No lender fees, lower closing costs, and fewer repair requests mean more money in your pocket. Sell as is. Many cash buyers, especially investors, buy homes without requiring repairs and upgrades. The cons of accepting a cash offer. You have lower offers. Cash buyers know their power and often offer less than market value because they provide convenience. There's also less competition. Choosing a cash buyer means missing out on a buyer willing to pay more with financing. Investors might flip your home. Some cash buyers are investors looking to resell for a profit, meaning you could have made more. So should you take a cash offer? If you need a fast, hassle-free sale, it could be a great option. But if you want top dollar, waiting for a finance buyer might be better. It all depends on your goals. Selling your home and need advance? Let's talk. Drop a comment or reach out. I'll guide you to the best deal. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real estate tips. Watch my next video for more home selling strategies.